BrainLab microscope navigation software is a key component in precisely executing surgical plans. In combination with robotic movement capabilities of the Leica Aveo, manual positioning becomes a thing of the past. With a dedicated marker geometry attached, the microscope is tracked like any other navigated instrument, showing its position on the patient's dataset. To support optimal craniotomy planning, the surgical target and surrounding structures created with BrainLab Element software are displayed on the navigation screen. Semi-transparent 3D objects are projected inside the head with detailed tractography, fading in and out when proceeding toward the tumor. Likewise, the microscope head-up display projects the same augmented objects into the surgeon's view. Handle buttons can be used to remotely control navigation functionality like adding picture-in-picture navigation views. This consolidates procedure-critical insights without the need to look away from the microscope. Rotation of the video plane further improves spatial orientation by revealing a more comprehensive picture of the surgical situation. Changing the focus shows how the focal plane intersects with underlying objects. Alternatively, the probe's eye MR image provides corresponding anatomical context. By adding slices, the reconstruction transforms into a maximum intensity projection, or MIP, and increases the level of vascular detail. Navigation shows pre-operative data. However, small shifts in anatomy may occur after craniotomy. With navigation update, vessels on the cortex can be compared with their corresponding MIP displayed on the navigation screen, enabling the surgeon to identify the shift. The MIP is then repositioned to match the vessels seen, which subsequently updates the navigation registration. Microscope navigation works in tandem with Leica Aveo for navigation-aided robotic alignment in 3 degrees of freedom. While exploring the surgical cavity, the microscope follows the navigation pointer and focuses on its tip. Setting a pin defines a landmark to return to for observation of the target from different angles. Stay on pin automatically compensates for small movements of the OR table. Microscope navigation delivers augmented visualizations and improved ergonomics, allowing surgeons to stay focused on the surgical task.